Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Santosh Vasant. So today we'll be looking at how to scrap products from Amazon. So I know you are tired of doing this, like spending hours manually copying product data from Amazon for your market research, dropshipping store or competitor analysis. It's slow, it's painful, and honestly it's a total waste of your time. What if I told you you could scrap thousands of products from any Amazon category with all the details you need and send it all to a Google Sheet automatically with just one click? In this video, I am going to give you the exact no-code workflow to do just that. Let's get started. The two magic tools we are using today are n8n for automation and Apify for the heavy-duty web scraping. n8n is a free open source workflow automation tool. Think of it like a Lego blocks for APIs. Apify is a web scraping platform that can extract data virtually from any website. Don't worry, both have free tiers. If you see here, we have 1000 executions for n8n. For Apify also, you will be getting $5 credit with which you can test many products on the Amazon website. Okay, so you will be getting both free tiers that are perfect for this project, for us to implement this workflow, test whatever you can test. First, you will need an Apify account. Head over to Apify. Let's type Apify here. Okay, let me press enter. You see, this is a website which you get, apify.com. You just click on this. You have to just log into this website if you already signed in. If you are not signed up, you just click on get started. And you just create your account by clicking on continue with Google. So as I already have an account, I just click on login. Again, I just click on continue with Google. I just click on this. I will be logging it into the Apify website, where you find the Amazon product scraper here. So here, this is a website you will be launching, and here if you see the down, you will be getting £5 credit here, with which you can test many things on the Amazon using the workflow that we are going to create right now. So let me go here. So only thing is, you have to go here into actors. You have to go to store, find Amazon product scraper. This is the one you are going to select, Amazon product scraper, and you just, instead of 100 results, you just keep as 20 as we are testing. Instead of scrolling 999 pages, so we'll keep it as only 5 pages. Okay. And here there are many other options which you can try. Scrape sellers, you will get sellers information, product description details, ensure loaded product description details, use captcha solver, scrape product variant prices. Whatever you wanted to check, you can check this. So I've just checked this one. I just click on save. Okay, so now this got saved. So now only thing what we need from Apify is we have to get the API key. From where you get the API key, you have to go to settings. You have to click on API and integration. So here you will have the API key. You have to just copy this API key, and this API key you will be using it in your workflow when you create the workflow. So now let's jump over into n8n. So I have already built a workflow for you. The download link is in the description. Once you have imported the JSON file, it will look like this. So let's break it down node by node. It's super simple. So the first node is a form trigger node, which is a default n8n form trigger. So I will just click this. So in this node, we are giving the form title as Amazon category URL, and here this node we are renaming it to enter Amazon category URL. In this, we are giving one field which is field name, that is URL. Okay. So we are giving one field which is a field name, that is URL, and you can keep it as required because we have to enter this Amazon category URL. Let me go to amazon.in. So here you have different categories here. So I am selecting a category. In this I am selecting a subcategory because in category you have many subcategories. Let me go here. I check home audio. Let me click this. This is the URL link which you will be copy pasting. Here if you see here .in/es, this represent as a subcategory URL. If I go back, if I click on electronics, you see /b, this is the main category. So when I click on any of the subcategory here, home audio, I see /yes in the URL, which represents the subcategory URL. Okay, you will be copy pasting this URL, copying this URL, you will come back and paste this URL when you execute this node. Let me go back here. So then the magic happens here in the HTTP request node. So in this node, you will be seeing, you will be specifying the URL endpoint of the Apify, and here you will be setting your authorization. So authentication will be none. Here you will be selecting your send headers, and here you will be adding your headers like accept application/JSON, and authorization bearers space your Apify secret key, which we have copied from here. This is a secret key which we have copied from here, which will paste here, bearer space secret key. And here you will enable send body, and in the send body you will be using JSON. You will be specifying JSON body, and here you will be giving your JSON request, where you will find all these details in the workflow which I attached in this video. You can download from there, you can import it into your n8n. So this is a node where it will scrape products based on the URL that we are entering from the form trigger. It will go and scrape the products from the products page, from the subcategory page, and it is going to get the details. Once you get the details, you will be getting it in the raw form data. So you wanted your specific fields to be uploaded into your Google Sheet, for which I have added a set node here. In this set node, we will convert that raw JSON into your specific nodes, like your specific columns. So whatever data that you require from the raw JSON, that data only we will be capturing using this set node in a structured format. So you have these fields here. So all these fields, if you see here, I have created a Google Sheet in my drive which is named as Amazon products. So these are all the products which I have scrapped here into the Google Sheet using this workflow, using the Apify from the Amazon categories page. So here you see the columns: rank, title, product, URL, ASIN number, which is the unique identification number of the product, reviews link, description, and all the details of the product, and A+ content, ratings, what is the rating of this product, and total number of reviews that we have received for this product. Are there any recent purchases? If you see, if you have data, you will get 500 plus bought, 4K plus bought, 5K plus bought. Okay, and you see the price, and if you have any discounts, you see those discounts, and delivery time, you have two delivery times. One is fast delivery, one is normal delivery. We are capturing all of these details into the Excel sheet. I will also add this Excel sheet in the description of this video. You can download the blank Excel sheet from there with the columns mentioned. Okay, let's come back here. So here we are grabbing title, and we are grabbing ASIN, we are grabbing products reviewing, we are grabbing description, and here we are grabbing bullet points. We will get bullet points like about the description of the product, like features of the product, so that we are joining into one, combining into one, so that you see one clean text block. Okay, so this is where we structure our data using the set node from the raw data that we are receiving from this HTTP node. Now we will have the Google Sheet node. So here in the Google Sheet, first you will need to connect your account, and by creating new credentials here, you have to connect your account, and you have to give your Google Sheet Amazon products, which is our Google Sheet named as Amazon product. You have to give the sheet here. You have to select the sheet, from which sheet, from the sheet 1 into the sheet 1 I need to save the data. So I am selecting the sheet 1. I am mapping all the fields here: rank, title, product URL, everything, whatever output that we get from the set node, I am mapping it here, so that this will be stored into my Google Sheet. So now just build this workflow from the scratch. Now theory is great, but let's see in action. Here is an empty Google Sheet. Let's make this Google Sheet as empty. Whatever data you see here, I will remove all this data from this Google Sheet. I will remove all this data from the Google Sheet. Come back here, let's save this, and let us create a new workflow here. I'm just clicking on new workflow. So here we got build with AI. This is the feature which recently got implemented. So either you can build with AI, or else we can build step by step. So now the first node that we are going to add is form trigger. n8n form trigger. You will be adding this form trigger enter Amazon subcategory / product URL. Okay, so this is a title which we are giving here, and form title is Amazon URL. This is the form title which we'll be giving here, and apart from this title, now we have to give the fields. Let's give the field. We'll give a field like subcategory URL. Why we are giving subcategory URL? If you give the main category URL, under main category you will have number of subcategories. Under the subcategories you will have number of products. When you run the workflow using the category URL, it might be bearer space, and you have to give this token. You have to go here, settings, go APIs, copy this, come back and give this token here. Okay, let me go here once into this. Let me see whether ID which I have given is matching there. So I think it ends with PK. Here it ends with PK. Yeah, it is matching, same ID. So I have given my thing here. So now here you have to select JSON. You click on send body, select JSON. Here you should select as JSON and specify body as JSON, and here you change it to expression, and here you should give an expression. So here we are calling two things. So I am giving expression here. Okay, if you see this expression here, let me go take out this. I will pull this subcategory URL, whatever URL that you are giving there. I will take this as well, and number of products whatever giving here will be giving that. Okay, let me go back. So now we have completed our HTTP node configuration. So let's rename this. Rename Amazon product scraper. Okay, we will rename this as Amazon product scraper. Let me execute this and see whether it is scraping. We got an error. Okay, please check your credentials. You must rent a paid actor in order to run it after the free trial has expired. To rent actor, go to HTTP console. Okay, so let me go here. Let me see, my free trial is not expired. Let me try another way. Okay, so let me go here. Now let's execute this. It will take little time, at least a minute. So it have to go and scrape 20 pages. While it's scraped, we will build the another node, which is the set node. So we'll go here. What we'll do is we will check this. So here we have to add fields. So we'll add rank, okay, which is a number. The rank is a number, rank of the product in that subcategory. We are going to fetch that here. So if I go here, if I select rank, so rank we are getting null. Okay, let me select this. So here we will be giving rank. Okay, whatever rank is there, the rank will come of that product in that category. Okay, and here we are going to select title. Okay, title can be a string. Okay, you can give title here. You can drag and drop from here, or else you can give this JSON. You see the same title which you are getting, Amazon Echo Dot 5th generation. So this is the same title which you are getting, which is this one, Amazon Echo Dot. This one, same thing you are getting there. We'll come back here and we'll add other fields quickly. So let me add all the fields quickly. Product URL, okay, which I will be giving JSON here, same URL which you are getting, and here you will be adding ASIN, and this also will be giving JSON, and you will be adding other fields as well, the whatever fields which you have mentioned, description. So quickly we'll add description as well. And we'll add product reviews link as well. This will keep it before description as per the sequence we have on the Excel sheet. So I keep this here. So then I will add the next field. The next field what we have is bullet points. I will add this field, bullet points, and I go add next field. The next field is A+ content. I go here, keep A+ content. So whatever, you no need to add this many fields. So as per my requirement I have added this many fields, but you can bring down your fields count, whatever fields you add on the Excel. So on the Google Sheet or Excel, so you have to add those fields on the here. So on Google Sheet I have added all these fields. So now this is the task for me to add all these fields here. Let me go here, add these fields quickly for one time. So add field. It is not mandatory to add also all the fields which are there in your sheet. Whatever fields you add here, those are the fields that are going to update on your Excel sheet. So recent purchases I will also add. So what are the recent purchases that are being made? I will keep this here. So there are last 3 fields which I am going to add here. Add field. Now we'll add the delivery time, the standard delivery time. Instead of standard, I'll add delivery time. So all this you can drag and drop from here, but that will be little time consuming, so I'm just quickly doing my way. So now with this we have entered everything. So now I execute this. So before that you have to enable include output input fields. So and here you should be selected, you should click as selected, and here support dot notation, so this should be on. So these 2 things should be on. So here it should be selected, you have to enable this, you have to enable this. So this is what the settings you will do here in the set node. Let me execute this so that you will see all the details here in the structure. Ranks accept a number, but we got an error. Okay, so for ranks also what I will do now, so I will give a number quickly. Let me execute this. So yeah. So rank is null for this product, but if you have, you will get that rank. So here you got null for this product in general. If you have, you will get the rank. So like this we will get all products here. Wherever you see rank, you will get that rank. Okay, this rank is based on where this product is ranking in that subcategory. In that subcategory, this product is ranking at 234. Okay, so now we have set this set node. We will rename it to map required fields or set required fields. Okay, now we will add our Google Sheet. Okay, quickly we will go here, Google Sheet. In Google Sheet, what you have to select, append row in sheet, because we are appending rows into the sheet. You have to click here. So I have already selected my account here, but in case if you have to select, click on create new credentials, sign in with your Google account where you have saved the sheet. You have to sign in with that account and you just have to click on save. So you will be connected to your Google account. So here you have to select sheet with the document. So and here the operation is append row, and here from the list you will be selecting Amazon products, and here sheet you will be selecting sheet 1 because my sheet name is Amazon products and my sheet is sheet 1. You go here. Now you have to pull this here and keep it. So rank, I am updating rank. Title, I am mapping it to title, and product URL, I am mapping it to product URL. ASIN, I am mapping it to ASIN, and product reviews link, I am giving this one, and description, I am giving this one. Bullet points, I am giving it here, and A+ content, I am giving it here, and ratings, I am giving it here. Number of reviews, recent purchases, and price, and discount coupon, and delivery time, and fast delivery. Now we have updated all the rows so that in Google Sheet all these values will be updated. All these product detail values will be updated in the Google Sheet. Let me click on execute one more time. Now let's see, once this node executed, now all the values should be updated in our Google Sheet. Let's save this workflow. Let's go back here. So if you see here, earlier our sheet was empty. Now you see all the values updated here in the sheet. So if you wanted to run one more time, let's run one more time the complete workflow. I will be deleting this. Now let's select another category. Let's go to Amazon. So let's go to electronics. So instead of electronics, let's go to home and kitchen. In home and kitchen, I select living room. Okay. So in living room, I select coffee tables. Okay. You see all these products here. I copy this URL. Now I go back to workflow. I will execute this workflow. I will give this time I give only 5 so that we can execute this workflow easily. Let me click on submit. So now this workflow started executing. Let's see whether, now if you see the sheet is empty, we have to get at least 5 results here on the sheet. The workflow started executing. So now this is a total game changer for anyone in e-commerce. You can analyze entire product categories, track your competitors' pricing, find new products for your dropshipping store in a fraction of time. Okay, let me go back here. You see 5 product details got updated here. Okay, you see the product URL link and you see the preview here. If I go here, you see the preview. So almost you are seeing this product here, you are seeing this product. So you see all these products. which are updated here, and you will also see the bullet points, the A+ content, the rating of that product, and number of reviews received for that product. If you see here 1.7k reviews and this is 3.8k rating. So if I go here, it is 3.8, 1.7k reviews. If I go here, select this, you see the same product which you are seeing here. Okay, based on ranking, it is going to pull the products and it is going to update your Google Sheet. So the link to download this exact workflow will be in the description. All you need to do is add your own API keys. In this video, you just saved your hours of future work. Do me a huge favor, just hit that like button and subscribe for more automation tutorials that will save your time and make your money and make more money for you. Let me know in the comments what you plan to use this for. Thanks for watching this video. You can also go back and check out more videos which I have uploaded on my channel. My channel is Santosh Bazaar. You can go here. You will have link to my channel in this description. You can go there. You can subscribe to channel so that you get the latest update whenever I post here a video. Thank you everyone for watching this video.